Yes, our good friends, this is Pastor John Walusimbi, Director, Liberty Preparatory School, Masaka, Uganda. Some time back I explained to you a project we urgently need. This is our old Pit-Latrine. It is so old it can no longer serve the school. And we are looking for some good friends with a big heart who can stand with us urgently. We need about $3,000 to finish the new Pit-Latrine. I'm going to show you, but this one has become too old and the Health Council can no longer allow us to use it. It is too old. It has been serving for the last 15 years. We are showing you how it looks like. We are going to see the second side of the Pit-Latrine. It is very old. Come with me and see the new project I'm talking of. Thank you.